This is the Delta shower head. It was so easy to install. The worst part was trying to get my shower head off of there that the builders put up. But you just screw it on. It doesn't need any plumber's tape or anything. Just hand tight, no tools, unless you need tools to get off your old one. This is a different setting. It looks really good. I got the stainless steel just to match everything else I had easily. It has the easy clean spouts that are like a rubber, so if you have hard water and they plug, you just rub them like this and the hard water deposits will come out and it stays working flawlessly. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with how easy it was to put up, for sure. My hands in comparison to it. Very nice so far, very happy with it. Extremely easy to put up.
It's a very solid, very nicely built metal, non-spectacular, but just nice Delta shower head. Universal, fits on any shower. Has 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show them to you if I can make it work. 1, 2, 3, 4 different positions available on the, actually 5 with the one, I think. Just turns on and off various sets of these. Nothing in it is kinetic. There's not any that has any really unusual flow pattern. Just a good basic metal and very well built Delta shower head.
You got the universal showering Delta head here. You go ahead and open it up. See what it looks like. Pretty excited to hook this up. Nice little shower head. I think I went with the stainless steel option. Here, if I can get it out. Oh yeah. Stainless steel option. I'll get it hooked up and show you when it's hooked up.